So today I am doing 3 different types of cone trees, I call them. This is my first time ever making one. So right here I am using some sequin fabric that I bought from Hobby Lobby, and I'm sorry about the clarity of the video. I tried to make it slow as I can because I recorded in time lapse by accident, but I will show the finished product at the end. So if you're new to the channel, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a lovely comment. Let me know if you ever made any of these, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Cone tree number 3, I decided to try using some crushed glass that I bought from Michael's a couple years ago. So mostly all these items was free to me. I did not have to buy anything. I prefer to use the Elmer glue, the clear one, and I just coated the cone with the glue and just started sprinkling on the crushed ice. Now this took me 3 days to make because the crushed ice is very heavy, so you wanted it to do a layer over, let it dry overnight, then come back and do another layer. You do that process 2 or 3 times, so a total of 3 days. And then in between, I did use my hot gun right there, as you see, to try to dry it faster, and it did work. Just make sure that you're not burning, the crushed ice. And I still let it sit overnight because that paper is thin, so you want it to, you want that glue and everything to adhere. And then next, I added some glitter because I realized, going back and looking at it the next day and looking at the package of the crushed ice, it was like a hint of purple, and I was really trying to get the white and silvery look. So I went out to Walmart. This is the only expense that I had, and got the snow white glitter and then the silver glitter, and I just added the clear coat of glue and just sprinkled on the glitter, and I did that in the process, I believe in 1 day, and then here is the upcoming finished product. So these cones were so fun to make. They are very inexpensive. As long as you have, different materials and stuff at hand, you can create an abundance of different looks for your Christmas decor. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to make sure that you give me a thumbs up, leave me a lovely comment, and most of all, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can see future videos. Thank you. And as I always say, child, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it.